is it, baby? Huh? Brian, she can see you. What is it? Baby. What is it? Daddy's not a very good stealth operator.
Yeah.
Tell me something. What? What is it? No way. Are you serious? How did that happen? I'm gonna turn the light on, okay? Be slow. So you can see better. What?
It's fine.
Hi. What's up, chicken? What's up, chicken? Are you not done? We gonna poop on camera? You're gonna poop on camera? Yeah, that's funny. Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap in your big girl crib? You did? You did? You did? You gonna poop some more? You gonna poop some more? Okay. We can poop some more. We can poop on camera. That's right. That's right. No way. You can tell me. You can tell me some more. Really? Really? Oh, you copy talk real good. You're a good little mimic. You mama's little parrot? Are you mama's little parrot? Oh, goodness. You're so funny. You're a big girl. You got the hiccups now? We got the hiccups. You okay? Did you throw up a little bit? Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. You see that camera? And you're still talking? It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Yes. It's a miracle. I love you.
You have to think about it.
Okay, do your final close-up. I love you. Final close-up. I love you.